Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I am so happy to be back on YouTube, and today I've got a very special video. So let's begin, but before that don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It is here. So let's begin the video. Let's start it. Since childhood, I've always wanted straight hair, and I always did have straight hair, be it in my college or during the time I started working. But things became difficult with Ednith. Juggling between work life, mommy life, blogger life, I stopped taking care of my hair, which resulted in dry, frizzy and damaged hair. But during the lockdown, when I asked my hairdresser for something to help my situation, she suggested me the X-Tenso Care range, and I have never ever looked back again. It was easily accessible as well because it was available on e-commerce platforms. The range comes with a shampoo which cleanses, a mask which nourishes hair, and a serum which protects the hair. The L'Oreal Professionnel X-Tenso Care range, which is their one-stop solution for all the straight hair concerns. It works wonder as it is specially designed for the straight hair. This range helps to keep the X-Tenso straight. Let me show you how. Step 1. The X-Tenso Care shampoo. Wet your hair and use small amount of the shampoo. Rinse it with cold water to keep the shine intact. It gently cleanses the scalp and with an anti-dryness action. The shampoo is priced at Rs 580 for 250 ml. Step 2. The X-Tenso Care mask. Use the mask from the mid-length of your hair and work it out till the ends. Do not use it on your scalp. Spread the mask evenly and twirl your hair towards the end for the mask to completely soak in. Just leave in this for about 5 minutes to do its magic. It adds strength and nourishment to the hair. This one is priced at Rs 685 for 200 ml. Step 3. The X-Tenso Care serum perfects your hair by giving more manageable hair and intense shine. On towel dried hair, gently apply the serum on mid-length till the end. Do not rinse this, okay? This is priced at Rs 600 for 50 ml. This 3-step hair care regime is the ultimate one-stop solution to all your straight hair concerns. And what gives me more confidence is that it's a hairdresser's favorite. Not only has it given me healthy and shiny hair, but also has helped me with the nourishment factor that was missing from my hair all these years. It gives perfectly blow-dried hair and definitely saves lots of time that just come in as a bonus. Therefore, it has become a go-to product for my straight hair. This range definitely results in stronger, manageable and hydrated hair. You guys should definitely try this range as it is one-stop hassle-free solution to manage straight hair. It is now available online platforms too. Link is in the description below, so go check it out. I hope you guys loved this video, and if you do, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit a heart button and do comment below on how are you liking my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.